In a school known for spirit and pride, grief now fills the halls. Legacy High School is mourning one of their own. 17-year-old Kyndall Ramos confirmed dead in the devastating Central Texas floods. Midland ISD confirmed the news with the following statement. It is with heavy heart that we share the news of the loss of one of our Legacy High School students, Kyndall Ramos. Our thoughts and prayers are with her family and friends during this difficult time. Our counselors are available to offer support to staff and students.
The family's a great family. Kyndall would have graduated in 2026. She was a big part of our office. She worked as an office aide for us, but she was Devin was a soccer player for us.
The flood hit more than just the banks of the Guadalupe River. It hit home in Midland.
Kerrville is a place that we all go to as part of our vacation places. My parents had a RV down at Kerrville, and so that became even bigger to me. And then you find out that it's your own student that they're looking for and that they found. It hurts. It hurts home, especially during being July 4th weekend.
As the search continues for Kyndall's mother, Tasha Ramos, Legacy High School and the community aren't waiting to offer their support.
And I talked to Kyndall's uncle this morning, and he's still in Kerrville. They're still, searching for Tasha, the mother. And I told him, I said, whatever we can do to help support y'all, let us know.
Support has poured in across West Texas, including the West Texas Food Bank, now helping Legacy turn heartbreak into hope.
All the food that we've got that we're donating to Kerrville, and we've got tons of water that we've donated, Pampers, anything you can think of.
And while they wait for healing, for answers, Legacy staff and students are leaning on each other, reminding everyone that Rebels take care of their own.
We're here to support students, staff, whichever way that we need to. We take care of the Rebels. We take care of Midland, but we also we want to make sure that our Rebel family knows that we're here to support them and take care of them.
In Midland, News West 9, Cameron Leal.